Welcome to Anmol Naturals. We are here to demonstrate how to arrange Anmol Pulsar V8 in a proper way, because this contains two probes. For some issues, you need to take a small blanket like this, roll it in 3 layers, take these two and keep like it and keep them below the legs. Arrange it below the legs like this. As you can see, there are two rolls which have elevated the height of the leg. Now we need to place two probes at the affected area. One is on the right side and another is on the left side, that is on the inner side. The whole arrangement will be like this. Lift the leg in such a way that it gives sufficient height for the probes to stand up perfectly. Suppose if there is an issue or injury or any fracture here, initially you need to see that they are placed some 2-3 inches away from the actual spot, and you need to bring them down 1 inch by 1 inch day after day. So by the end of 1 week or so, the center points of all these would merge. This gives a rapid and a sustained effect for the effect to come. We have powered the adapter and we have connected it to the V8 converter device. You see, there are two power points here, one here and one here. You can put the adapter pin to any of the points. Switch on both the switches. You will see the indicators are glowing. Now you connect the two probes in this way. Arrange sole pads. Arrange the sole pads like this. Keep the triangle pads like this. As you can see, the whole arrangement is like this. Power the converter. Arrange the probes like this. Arrange the triangle pads like this. And arrange the sole pads like this. This is the whole arrangement of V8 for issues relating to non-union of fractures, etc. Osteoporosis, osteomyelitis are also some conditions where this arrangement gives good relief when used under the instructions of your family physician or medical person. see that the leg is in a elevated position.